How to use Airbnb search filters for self-check-in only options. So if you're someone that does not like to deal with people and want to have a self-check-in option, what you simply need to do is tap on the search option, and first of all make a search of the location, and right here on the top right you'll be able to see the option called filters. You simply want to tap on this option, scroll down, and under booking options you'll be able to see the option which says self check-in. You simply want to tap on this option. It's going to find you all of the accommodations that is going to give you the self check-in option. You simply want to tap on show, and you want to take a look at all of the locations that are available. Let's say you pick a option that you like. Firstly, you want to make sure that the self check-in is really available, because sometimes whenever you add in this filter, it may also show up locations that do not have self check-in. So to verify it, you can scroll down inside of a particular option, and right here it will mention it is self check-in. So only make sure that you reserve this place when you see this option. So using this exact filter, you're going to be able to self check-in inside of any sort of accommodations using Airbnb. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.